All right, so now we're looking at tables here, and we're looking to see, are they equivalent or not? So Mr. B sells bags of apples at the farmer's market. He needs 27 apples for every 3 bags, okay? So we have 27 apples for 3 bags. Does this table represent a proportional relationship between the number of bags to the number of apples? So all they're asking here is this table equivalent? So we have to figure out the pattern, and is the pattern go through the entire chart? And if so, then it's equivalent. If there's a break or the pattern stops or it's not a different pattern, then no, it's not equivalent. So we had to figure out, okay, what did I do to 3 to get to 27? Okay, so what did I do to 3 to get to 27? Well, 3 times 9 gets me 27. So let's see if I could times all these numbers going down by 9, do they give that number over on the number of apples? So 6 times 9 is 54. 9 times 9 is 81. 12 times 9 is 108. So yes, does this table represent a proportional relationship? Yes. Okay, let's look at this one. It says Sylvia buys bagels by the dozen. She gets 12 bagels for every 1 box. Okay, does this table represent a proportional relationship between the number of bagels to the number of boxes? So we have to look here. Okay, well, 12 bagels. Okay, 12 bagels. So I don't see 12 in my chart, so I have to add it to the top. So I'm going to add that to the top. So I got to add it to the top. So 1 box gives me 12 bagels. So what did I do to 1 to get to 12? I times it by 12 times 12. So I got to see if I times all these by 12, will I get it? 2 times 12 is 24. Let's see if 4 times 12 is 48. 6 times 12, let's see, 6 times 12 is 72. Let's see if 7 times 12 gives me 96. 7 times 12 is 84. So this 96 should be an 84 to make this equivalent. So does this represent a proportional relationship? No, it does not, because 7 times 12 is 84, not 96. And that's how you can determine if it's a proportional relationship or not. You have to figure out, does the pattern go all the way through? And if not, then you need to say no. If it does, then that means yes, it is equivalent and it has a proportional relationship.